So guys, let's go drone snowing. It's actually evening now and I've always wanted to do this. It was actually snowing heavily today and I wanted to try flying a drone while there is snow around. So this is actually an empty space and I want you guys to watch me as I do it. So this is a drone. I'm going to place it here. Whoa, it's actually so deep. And here we go. Oh my god, oh my god. So here you go. I really don't know why this thing is actually going south, but let's try it. Let's give it one more chance. Here, now we go. Lift. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, how about I try this on the air? I'm just going to drop this here. Oh. So let's go. No way. Well, since it didn't work today, I'm going to try another day and see if it works. So stay tuned.